turn it out, man. I'm monetized. What the world going on? Guys, what's popping, man? It's your boy, JT, man. Yes, I'm headed off to my second day of training at the training center. So I figure I'd fire the camera up and let's chop it up, man. I just seen something interesting on the side of the road, guys. I saw what looked like to be a Toyota Camry of some sort. You know, you guys' favorite car, the one everybody always bragging on. Toyota ain't nothing, man. They really ain't all that. But that's not the point here. My point, it looked like a Toyota Camry. It was an import car. The young lady standing outside of it with her trunk open in disgust on her cell phone, making gestures like this, like she can't believe this just happened. Now, not that she can't believe it happened. It's what I'm assuming, she can't believe what she don't see. Now, I'm a nice guy, right? I could have easily, we're going 5 miles an hour on a 5-lane freeway, so it's a lot of traffic. I could have easily pulled over, but I got the feeling I wouldn't have been much of help to her. And here's what I'm talking about. The right rear of her car was lowered down, okay? Yes, she was on the flat. Now, when you're on the flat, what do? You simply get out and change the flat. She's a young lady, but it looked like she was prepared to change it. Here's what a surprise kicked in at. From what I'm guessing, there's no freaking spare tire in there, guys. Oh my goodness, that is the most craziest thing I've ever. The automotive industry have gone to no more freaking spare tires. Oh my goodness. All my cars, when I tell you all my cars have spare, that 2017 Cherokee I bought in 2017, brand new. I work on this stuff daily, so I'm aware that some of them will not have spare tires. In fact, it's an option. Why is it a damn option? Okay, because you have to pay extra for a spare tire, full-blown spare tire in your trunk. There's a space for it. There's a spot for spare tires, but they're just not there. And guys, the reasoning behind that is quite simple. Are they trying to cut down on weight? All right, a spare will add some more pounds to the car, which could possibly add some more emissions. Yes, it's all about emissions. But my point is, guys, now this young lady will have to sit there. I'm sure she have a 1-800 number she can call, like we all do. All right, but imagine she running late for a doctor's appointment or work, and now she can't pull it off because there's no spare tire. I don't get this, man. There's a lot of things new car makers are cutting out, like they're bonuses. I mean, is a spare tire really a bonus? Guess what? You get a spare tire with your new car. It's an essential. It should be a necessary. Oh my goodness. You see how much traffic it is? Do you know how long it's going to take emergency hero them to get around here and get to her? How many of you guys, let me pose this question. I need some answers at the bottom. Because some of you guys may be doing this or have your significant other doing this and you not even know it. You're not even aware of it. You will not be made aware of it until there's a problem. Honey, I'm on a flat. Can you come get me, or can you change the tire? Sure, I'll be there in a second. You get there and there's no spare. There's a lot of people riding around not even knowing they don't have a spare tire. So, guys, make yourself, if you don't do nothing else today, let me put it like this. Make yourself aware of the fact if the cars that your loved ones are riding in have spare tires. If not, you likely should get one. Okay? I'm sorry. Forget the car makers, man. They meet their quota. They met their quota. That car is light. It passed the emissions. Now it's you own the car. You can do whatever you want to. Chances are there's a spot for a spare tire. I don't want no fix or flat. I don't want no chemical that will make the tire bigger. What if you have a blowout? None of that chemical matter if the tire is shredded. That chemical can't magically bring your rubber back and make that tire inflate. No, the tire is ruined. You don't just be driving and get a slow leak. No, you get a blowout. So that chemical, even in the Pacificas, the Chrysler Pacifica, the vans, they give you some kind of chemical and a electric device that will lift the tire. It's crazy, man. Some of the minivans, the spare tire is there. It's just under the minivan. Imagine you have a flat tire. Your van gonna go down even lower. So you gotta raise that van high enough to even get the spare. Man, you guys, make this a priority, guys. I don't even know if y'all can see me, but make this a priority. Go to your cars and find out if you have spares. If you don't, get spares, because spares are necessary evil. They necessary, all right? My daughters, all of their cars have spare tires in them. I made a point to make sure that happening, man. That dreaded phone call is terrifying. And it's even more terrifying when you get way out there and you find out there's no spare. So both of y'all just standing out there on the highway, freeway, looking crazy, just scratching your head like, honey, what do we do now? Wait a minute. Oh, no, that's crazy. I gotta go. This video too long. I just wanted y'all to make that aware of y'all. Get that checked out. Get that looked at. That's all I have, man. I got like 30 more minutes to get to the damn training center. But it's all for a good cause. I'm about to go learn some more diesel. All right? Yes, major difference between diesel and gasoline. I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Come and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.